Hello and welcome to another sensory recipes video, where I take recipes from my sensory recipes ebook to test out. Today we're going to be making rainbow oats. For this recipe you will need jumbo oats, freezer bags, food colouring, paper towels and water. Add 1 cup of oats to your freezer bag. And mix up the food colouring with 1½ tablespoons of water. I'm going to go blue with this first one. Add in the coloured water into your bag. And then mix until evenly covered. This is the fun bit, this is where your kids can get involved. Once it's all coloured, place it onto a kitchen towel to dry. And repeat the process with the other colours. If you would like to download or print this recipe, as well as loads others like it, then you can download my sensory recipe book from my website. The link's in the description. See you next time.